I'm thinking Carnitas. Pretty sure I just maxed out my entire Spanish vocabulary. Hey folks, welcome back. Tell you what, it's noisy in the house, noisy outside, so we're gonna deal with the dishwasher inside. Welcome back everybody. I'm thinking some carnitas tonight, guys. I've got some leftover pulled pork from a while back, and I'm gonna go out here on the Cuisinart 360 griddle, fire it up, do some seasoning, do some peppers and onions, and come inside and just gonna make some nice little pork tacos, which is what we call them here, carnitas. I don't know about all that stuff. Let's get cooking outside, guys. Guys, we're gonna get this going with a little vegetable oil. Get some peppers going here. That medium heat here. Toss in some onions there. You know I don't get too fancy on this thing. Guys, got some of this some Blackstone taco and fajita seasoning. Don't tell the Cuisinart people I'm using Blackstone products, alright? You have to keep that between us now. Just gonna hit this up a little bit with that. Give these a little mix. We're gonna get some pork on here. Let's take time, push this off to the side. This pork is fully cooked. We're just gonna get it heated up, maybe crisp it up a little bit. Get some flavors going in here. Get some seasoning action going. Lay it pretty heavy on the meat here. Go in together, guys. Got a sneak a taste. I think we're there, guys. I'm gonna add just a little bit extra seasoning. I've never used this seasoning before. I'm really anxious to see what it tastes like. Oops, wrong one. Alright, I'm gonna turn this down to low. We're gonna get this off of here. Lots of goodness going on there, guys. Cannot wait to get that on a tortilla. Guys, we'll give it a quick little scrape. Guys, just got some Mission soft tortillas here. Just gonna get these heated up a little bit. It won't take long on them. Oops, that turned over now. Well, y'all wait for me to burn myself, ain't you? Another warm one in the bluegrass. All right, guys. Guys, got my fancy little taco holders there. I'm gonna get some of this. Make sure we get some onions and peppers. Peppers in there. Sure I got some onions going too. Can't forget about the meat. It's all about the meat. That's getting pretty quick. Look at that. With my homemade salsa. Gotta have some of that. I did an older version of this in a video, a little different version. I'll put a link up top there. Gotta have a little sour cream in there. A little extra salsa. And some chips. Alright, we are going in, guys. That was so much better than I was expecting, guys. I've never used this stuff, so I wasn't sure what to expect. We got a fair amount of flavoring in there. Of course, you got your peppers, your onions. I always set that off. Pulled pork, I've never done this with pork, so hey, learn something new. One more bite for you guys. Alright guys, a little something different for you. Need to get back out there on the griddle. So guys, thank you. I hope you give us a try at some point or something similar to it. Thank you so much. This was fun. Some extra background noise both inside and out, so it was a treat for me too. So thank you. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. And folks, we will see you on the next video. God bless you folks. Bye bye.